Can I have some maybe Japanese, maybe Chinese? Korea? No Korea? 안녕하세요. Oh, you Chinese? Okay, 你好. Sorry. Let's go, guys. I promise it's gonna be very, very short. I promise, guys. Boom, boom. Gracias. Mira, sauya. And of course, the winner will be winning a very good prize. I promise. Dolly, Tanya. Yes, and also we do have the MC, also one of our MCs for tonight. One and only, the young Sept. Yeah, Sept. Go, guys. How about a big round of applause for our friends on stage with us tonight? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just want to teach our friends on stage how to mix the fruit salad. And we call it the Tutti Frutti. Okay, first of all, please shake your partner's hand and introduce yourselves. Come on. Alright, lesson number 1. When I say papaya, you have to hit it to the left. Papaya, you have to shake it to the left. Just make sure it is to your left. Papaya, popo, or however you pronounce it. Come on, it's on the left. Get ready. Papaya! A bit too slow, Sefa. A bit too slow. Okay, one more time. Papaya! Hey, very good. All right, lesson number 2. When I say pineapple, you have to hit it to your right. Pineapple to your right. Pineapple! One more time. Pineapple! Hey, very, very beautiful lady right here with a very good pineapple. Okay, lesson number 3. When I say coconut, ladies and gentlemen, you have to bump it to the back. Coconut, just bump it to the back. Coconut! So sorry, man. Man, this guy very big coconut for tonight. Okay, one more coconut, but make small coconut, please, guys. Let's do small coconut. Get ready. Small coconut. One more small coconut. Double coconut. Triple coconut. And our last lesson for tonight. When I say pa here, you have to rotate your hips around and around in a circle. All right, get ready. For the ladies, rotate your hips around and around in a circle. For the men, you just wiggle your legs in and out, and also you guys can freestyle. But oh wow! How about another bigger round of applause? Another bigger round of applause for beautiful ladies and fearless warriors. Oh, yeah. How about we have a competition? You guys want a competition? Yeah! Yes, me too. All right, competition time. And our first partner for tonight, we start from our far left, right here in front of me. The man himself, Peter, with his beautiful partner. Oh. Hello. What's your name? Alta. How old are you? 18. What school to you? Now 35 years old. All right, let's do it. Get ready. Papaya, pineapple, papaya, pineapple, coconut. Hey, go ata, coconut, double coconut. my gosh. How about a big round of applause for Atta. Thank you very much, sis. Wow. Now, second partner, please move forward. Don't go just yet. Don't go just yet, Atta. Yes, we'll be, yes, we will finally, at the end, find out who should be tonight's champion. Hello, sir.
Hello.
What's your name, sir?
Lipo.
Lipo. Single, double, triple?
Single.
What school do you go to, Lipo?
Samoa College.
Samoa College. She goes St. Mary's College. 16 years old. Alright, let's do it, Lipo. Papaya! Pineapple! Papaya! Pineapple! Coconut! Coconut! Double coconut. I think there's a dancing lesson going on in Samoa College as well, huh? Alright, let's do it. Sample. Represent, let's go. Papaya! Pineapple! Papaya! Pineapple! Coconut! Coconut! Strawberry! Oh, sorry, Nipo. I forgot. Strawberry to the front. I forgot to teach this last lesson. Okay. Coconut! Strawberry! Shake what your mama gave ya. 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 Take Tony, take Tony, take Tony. Oh wow! How about a big round of applause for Samoa representing 42-9. And our last partner for tonight, please move on forward. Oh, your third partner, move on forward. All right, I forgot we've got 4 partners. All right. Hello. Your dancing partner for tonight, Mr. Jack Teuila, defending champion. How long ago? What, 3 years ago since the last Teuila festival? So just as Fone Fafo is still the Miss Samoa, still the champion for the Teuila, and I'm still the most handsome man for Teuila. What's your name?
Fa.
Yes, I already know your name is Fa from Sa. Okay, of course, everyone knows you probably already. Representing you for Samoa with netball and also with heaps of sport you're participating on. We're very, very happy to have you on stage tonight. Let's do it, Fa. And you're also TikTok famous. All right, let's do some TikTok maybe later on. But for now, let's mix the fruit salad. Papaya, pineapple, papaya, pineapple, coconut, coconut. Coconut. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, just fire, fire. Wow. Thank you very much, Pa. Man, we have very, very good dancers with us on stage tonight. And finally, we've come to our last partner for tonight. Talafalava, sir.
Talafalava.
What's your name, sir?
Justin.
I have one question. Because everyone knows this is young Sefa. But you are getting older, my friend. What will be your name when you're older?
When I get older, you can call me Big Daddy Spanky.
All right, let's do it. Big Daddy Spanky. Your dancing partner for tonight is my wife. So be careful. All right. Papaya. Pineapple. Papaya. Pineapple. Coconut. Yeah, your pants is too tight, my friend. Double coconut. Triple coconut. slow coconut. Wait a minute. I said be careful. I said be careful, my friend. Wow. All right, one more time.